insights. So I hope today's session actually can achieve the objective, can be twofold here. First of all, we would like to show you how do we really use data analytics so as to make better decisions. And secondly, we will use F&B, food and beverage industry as an example to show how the business use data analytics to improve their profitability by understanding their consumer behaviors better. And for today's session, actually, I hope you find some interesting information here. And also, the big takeaway for today is we do see increased adoption and acceptance of technology in the F&B industry, especially accelerated by the pandemic situation for more contactless consumer experiences. And we have transformed more consumer experiences into digital process, and we are able to record the touch points across each stage of the consumer journey, so which give us a lot of data availability as well as the data richness, so as to be able to generate more interesting insights and guide our decision-making process.